बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला सय्यदना मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि सय्यदना मुहम्मद। Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I am going to deliver my lecture on isotopes. In Dalton atomic theory, all the atoms of an element were considered to be alike in all properties, including their masses. But later on, it was discovered that atoms of an element possess different atomic masses but same atomic number. These atoms were called isotopes. So we can define isotopes as atoms of an element having different atomic mass but same atomic number are called isotopes of that element. The phenomena of isotopes was given by a scientist Soddy. Isotopes of an element have same chemical properties and same position in the periodic table. Why? Why isotopes of an element have same chemical properties? The reason is very simple. Chemical properties depend upon the number of electrons, as only electrons take part in a chemical reaction. As all the isotopes of an element have same atomic number, same number of electrons, that's why chemical properties of isotopes are similar. And why the position of isotopes in the periodic table is same? The reason is very simple. As elements in the periodic table are arranged according to their atomic number, as isotopes have same atomic number, so their position in the periodic table is same. Very simple. Carbon has three isotopes: C6 12, C6 13, C6 14, expressed as C12, C13, C14. C12, C13 and C13 and C14 have same number of electrons or protons. 6 electrons, 6 protons. 6 electrons, 6 protons. 6 electrons, 6 protons. But they have different number of neutrons. C12 has 6 neutrons. C13 has 7 neutrons, and C14 has 8 neutrons. As all these three isotopes have same number of electrons, so their chemical properties will be same. The difference is in the number of neutrons, and neutrons make the mass, so their physical properties like mass is not same. The isotopes of hydrogen are three. Hydrogen has three isotopes: H11 called as protium, H12 called as deuterium, H 1,3 called as tritium. Hydrogen has one proton and one neutron in the nucleus, and zero neutron in the nucleus, and one electron in its orbit revolving around the nucleus at protium. And deuterium has one proton, one neutron, and one electron in its orbit revolving around the nucleus. And tritium has one proton, two neutron, and one electron in its orbit revolving around the nucleus. So protium, deuterium and tritium, all these three isotopes have same number of electrons, that is 1. That's why the chemical properties of protium, deuterium and tritium are same. But protium has 0 neutron, deuterium has 1 neutron, and tritium has 2 neutrons. So there is difference in number of neutrons and difference in their masses. So isotopes have different physical properties. Viewers, this was today's lecture on isotopes. How you find it? I need your comments. Bad, fair, good or excellent. And finally, don't forget to subscribe my channel Aziz Memorial Science Academy. Thank you very much.